Hi, my name is Trevor Sippy. I'm currently a junior studying industrial design.
Hi, my name is AJ. I'm a sophomore in accountancy with a minor in informatics.
Hi, I'm Matthew. I'm a junior here studying supply chain management and information systems.
Hi, I'm Charlotte Cunningham. I'm the TA for this course.
My name is Mehmet. I'm a graduate researcher at the Mechanical Engineering Department, and I worked as a volunteer TA for this class.
So my name is Vishal Sachdev. I'm the director of the Illinois Makerlab and also the instructor for the BADM 357 digital making course. So one of the things we tried with this course is that students get to design with what we call mentors rather than design for. So the user you're designing for is not somebody you're imagining or you are making up from some research. You're actually meeting them, you're listening to them, you're attending some events with them and learning what challenges, or as we call them, opportunities they have, and then you start designing. So that's one big part, is that your users are embedded in the class. And when we look at the outcome from the projects, we would never have, our student teams would never have gone so far if the mentors were not involved. So that's, I think, the main thing that we are providing to students, an experience where you're designing with the users rather than for them.
So I think this class is very different from the other ones in a sense that a lot of things are hands-on. And I personally benefited a lot from it because that's how I truly learned a lot of different skills, whether that's using something like Fusion 360 or just working with 3D models.
Well, it was really cool to be able to have a actual product at the end to measure the impact that I was able to create through the course, instead of just learning the theory of things and maybe being able to apply it later on, but not being able to see that tangible product.
Well, since I'm an industrial design major, we have a lot of projects. We do a lot of rapid prototyping. The thing that was different from this class was we did the entire project the whole semester, the entire 16 weeks. So I think that was the main difference, for me at least.
All the students are coming from different departments and it's very diverse, and the resources that are provided to students are also very diverse, and people are bringing different perspectives into the game, and they're working on prototyping, testing, and improving their ideas, iterating their ideas. So this helps us to solve the problem at the initial phase and developing a solution around the problem.
I think the rapid prototyping and the different iterations throughout the semester really helped people think of design thinking. All the questions people were forced to ask, from sketches to the different brainstorming activities to the user testing, I think those really helped with design thinking. It was also really cool reading everyone's reflections and seeing how their thought process evolved and how they really helped each other out and interacted with all the other teams.
I think my biggest takeaway here is, even if you fail at something initially, just continue to try over and over again. That's what I really learned. We had a lot of struggles coming up with ideas, prototypes, and everything, but we continued to push through it and we persevered at the end.
I guess the biggest takeaway from this class is that we do weekly reflections and we get to talk with each other, and every Wednesday we're able to have these group discussions, which actually help our product improve a lot as a team, as a group.
I think my biggest takeaway from the class was the amazing things that we can come up with when we're able to collaborate with students from many different backgrounds, and basically just learning how design thinking works.
So I think the best thing for potential students is to look at what we've been doing with the previous. So this course has been on for 5 years. All the information is online on the Makerlab website and on our class blog. So one of the things that we provide in this course is an opportunity for learning, making, and then sharing. So all the stuff you're doing is, by the end of the semester, is put out for the world to see and use. So student teams working in design, engineering, and business majors together are creating a product for users with special needs and then putting it out for the world to see. So somebody else, maybe in some other country, could benefit from your work and then design a product based on your instructions. And that is something that's pretty powerful for any student to do in class.
BADM 357.
BADM 357.
BADM 357.
BADM 357.
Digital Making Seminar.
Digital Making Seminar.
Digital Making Seminar.
Digital Making Seminar.
BADM 357 Digital Making Seminar.
BADM 357 Digital Making Class.